Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have a magnet, file, sandpaper, and a protected testing spot. First, clean a small area so you see bare metal. Use the magnet. If it strongly attracts, you likely have a ferritic grade like 430. If weak or non-magnetic, it may be 304/316 austenitic. Once done, make light file passes to expose fresh metal and note color and shine. These quick actions reveal base properties without heavy setup. You continue by running a spark test and watching sparks from a bench grinder or file. Stainless yields fewer, shorter sparks with reddish tips compared to carbon steel. Next, measure dimensions and compare weight. Stainless is generally denser, so a similar volume weighs more. Then inspect welds and corrosion. Pitting and white rust point to chloride sensitivity, suggesting 304 versus 316. Make sure to record each observation. Together, they narrow down the likely stainless family and grade. You finish by confirming with a controlled nitric acid spot test on a hidden area. Stainless resists oxidation while carbon steels react. Use gloves and ventilation. Once you combine magnet behavior, spark characteristics, weight, and any mill marks, you should have a confident ID. If results conflict, make sure to keep a small sample and consider lab spectrometry for exact composition. Troubleshooting tip: if tests disagree, reclean the sample and repeat. Surface coatings or contamination often cause false readings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.